Hello my friends, welcome to Pro-Am Strings. I'm Henriette and in this lesson we are continuing our learning of our slurs. And in this lesson we are practicing exercise 96 on page 30. And we're just going to refine playing our slurs. So by the end of this lesson I think you should have a very good grasp of how you can improve your slurs playing even more. Now we've said in our previous lesson, when you play slurs, you want to tap your fingers really hard and lift them up quite abruptly so that you get a very well-defined note. In this lesson, we're going to be thinking about our elbow levels for our bow because we're going to play part of our slurs on the D string, where our right elbow is a little bit higher, and part of it will be on the A string, so our elbow level is a little bit lower. We're going to combine the slur playing with the bowing technique. Let's play exercise 96, shall we? Let's get your bow ready on the D string and check out your elbow level so that you're properly on the D string, and you can perhaps look here to see that your bow is exactly in between the A and G strings. I'll count us in for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on here a moment. Now can you adjust your elbow level to go to the A string? So adjust your right elbow, make it go a little bit lower. And when you're ready, here we go. And you've guessed it, lift your elbow up again to go to the D string for your final note. Well done. Now when you first play this song, it makes perfect sense to take breaks to adjust those elbow levels. Eventually, when you get a bit more experience, that will become second nature, so it will get easier. Next, we'll play exercise 97. And of course, exercise 97 will also be about elbow levels, but I would like to add something else as well. And I would like you to check that you're not hesitating with your bow just the moment when you put your finger on. So what I see sometimes is this. And the bow almost stops just as you put your finger on. So make a habit of making that bow flow as gently and as smoothly as you possibly can. When you play with slurs, it's called legato playing. Legato means smooth, and you want to make that bow just float really evenly. So that is what we're practicing in exercise 97 as well. I'll count us in for 4, so check out your elbow levels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it here a moment. Can you adjust your elbow? Take a little pause. Adjust your elbow level. Adjust your elbow level here. And adjust your elbow level again. That was fantastic practice, well done. So all the time while you play, you think about improving your technique, and that is where fast progress is going to come from. So you're zooming ahead, and I'm well pleased with your progress so far. So if you are enjoying your lessons, why not consider becoming a member of Henriette's Violin Club? And what you're going to get out of that is, apart from custom emojis and badges, you're going to be able to ask me questions in live classes. And I try to hold these live classes about once a month, and you'll get a special invitation as a member, and you can ask specific questions that relate to your specific style of playing. Check out the video about membership, which is linked below this video in the comments. Thanks very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you very soon. Goodbye.